SPP Dashboard is the most powerful, flexible dashboard available for SharePoint. Why do you need dashboard? Business cannot see the big picture, cannot get information fast enough, don't have enough data to make the right decisions. SPP Dashboard enables you to get and analyze key data from your entire organization, real time or from warehouse. SPP Dashboard connects to your data wherever it lives. You can connect to SharePoint list, BCS, Excel services, SQL Server, Oracle, DB2, AS400 and much more. Visualize your data by combining data from different sources and make decisions faster and easier. See your entire business in a single dashboard. Become a data-driven organization. Make decisions faster and easier with SPP Dashboard. You can now create and customize a page with dashboard in 5 easy steps. Open the Visual Designer, drag and drop components in the designer, configure data source, configure appearance, save your page. SPP Dashboard has charts, checkboxes, date picker, drop down, gauge, grid, pivot grid, list view, map, slider, summary column. Benefits: significantly reduces implementation time, nearly 50 to 70%. Powerful visual designer for layout designing, rich data-driven components with aesthetic looks, pull data from existing SharePoint lists or different data sources, rearrange, edit and delete controls. SPP Dashboard is cross-browser compatible, zero coding involved, reduces development costs and increases ROI by 40 to 60%. SPP Dashboard supports multiple data sources. Now you can create themes to create branding and style. Variety of pre-built themes are available for creating dashboards. Now you can create custom themes to reflect your branding and color schemes. Once you create a dashboard, you can save it as a template. Duplicate dashboards quickly from existing templates. Designers can create private and public templates. Layout Designer helps users to visualize and build final sketch. SPP Dashboards Link Manager enables drill down so users can slice and dice data. SPP Dashboards Control Filter filters data to view details closely. Now you can export, email, print and view data. Here are some sample chart types. You can create 2D and 3D charts with SPP Dashboard. Here are some gauge types that you can create using SPP Dashboard. You can create circular, semicircular, quarter, horizontal linear, vertical linear, thermometer. I'm going to show you a demo of sales dashboard that we have created for ALC-Com. ALC-Com sells different product lines: glue guns, lightsabers and transponders. They sell to different customer types: enterprise, galaxy and planet. Using chart control, we have plotted their sales data using a bar chart. In this sales dashboard, we have created filters. You can filter the data by date range, by region, by products, by customer type. Let's say you want to see the data for the region East. Once you click on East, the data in the chart will be filtered. Let's say I want to see the product glue gun. So I filtered based on glue guns. Let's say I want to filter by the customer type enterprise. So once I click enterprise, the data gets filtered based on enterprise. Let's say I want to filter this data using the date range. I want to see the data only for 2011. Once you have selected or entered the date range that you want, you can click on the filter icon to filter the data. So if you look at the chart, we have got the data for Jan 2011 to December 2011. Let's say you want to export this chart into an image so that you can use this in your presentation. Click on the export icon. So you will get the chart, with the filters applied. You can increase the size of the chart image or you can reduce it. Once you are ready to export, you have different options. You can export to GIF, JPEG, PNG, PDF. If you want to save this image and email, you can click on email. Let's say I want to export this into a JPEG. I've clicked on export to JPEG. Let me click on open. So here is your chart image that you can use in your presentation. If you want to print the whole dashboard, you can click on the print icon to print the dashboard. You can save the whole dashboard to a PDF format. If you want to print the chart, you can click on the print icon here. If you want to view the data, you can click on the data viewer icon. Let's say you want to reset the whole dashboard. You can click on the reset icon to reset the whole dashboard. I'm going to edit the web part and show you the structure of the layout. Click on edit web part. Click on open canvas. Click on the edit icon. This is the layout designer we have used to create the sales dashboard. If you look at the layout, you have the chart control here. This is the region, product, customer type, date range, another filter using region. Click on the theme icon to create a new theme or edit an existing theme. I have selected a sales new theme. I have the theme name, color scheme, background colors and properties, control title, dashboard, control theme properties. Click on the build database connection to connect to different data sources. Click on the add new connection. You can enter the connection name. You can select your data source, SQL Server, ODBC, OLADB, DB2, Oracle, Excel service. You can enter server name. If you want to use Windows authentication, you can check this box. Otherwise, you can enter username and password. After that, you can select the database. Once you have configured everything, click on update to save the connection. I'm going to show you settings for chart control. Click on the settings icon. In the general tab, you can enter the title. You can select the data source. You can select SharePoint list or the databases. If you select SharePoint list, the list of web applications will be shown here. You can select the list and you can select the chart type. We have 32 different chart types here. In this, we have selected column chart type. You can select the x-axis. You can select the y-axis. You can give the legend name. If you want to display currency symbol with it, you can do that. In the look and feel, you can give the width, height. If you want to apply the theme for the chart control, you can do that. You can select or enter edge properties, chart properties, x-axis name, y-axis name. If you want to group data, you can group the data by monthly, quarterly, yearly. If you want to use target line, you can use that. If you want the trend line, you can click on S to use the trend line. If you want to enable 3D, you can click on S. Drill down is enabled through link manager. Click on the link manager. A control can be provider or consumer. In this, the chart is the consumer. I'm going to link the chart with the provider. I'm going to select the customer type here as the provider, and I'm going to select the corresponding column. I'm going to select the product, region and year. If you look at how the link manager is structured, It's a nested drill down. Once you have configured the settings, you can click on Save and Close.